So we're going to create this glowing red eyes effect. In DaVinci Resolve, we're going to use the color page to do it. We're going to use the windows or the masks, and we're going to use a tracker. We'll start by taking our raw footage and just dragging it down here onto the editor timeline. And I'm just real quickly want to just trim this up a bit. And I think what's going to happen is I'm going to take the glasses off and we'll go to about 2 seconds or so. And then we'll go ahead and trim that. And then we will go to about 5 seconds or so. And we'll end it there, although it can go as long as I want it to. All right, so here's where the glowing eyes is going to happen. What I'll do is select that. Using my Alt key, I will drag this and make a copy of that. I don't need a copy of the sound, so I'll just right-click and unlink those and then delete those using the backspace key. From here, I will select this and then go to the color page. In the color page, what I will do is start under the Windows tab, and I will use a polygon mask and just zoom in using my mouse wheel here. And I'm just going to go ahead and trace the eye itself like this. All right, so now I have that. And what I'm going to do now is use the tracker, because right now it moves and the mask is not following it. So I'm going to put it here, and then I'm going to ask this to just track that. And it did, and so now it tracks it with it, just like that. And what I need to do is go ahead and plug the alpha in, so I will right-click and select Add Alpha Output, and then plug it in like this. And then I can go ahead and make the changes to the color. I'll start by adjusting the offset and make that about 75 or so, but this will be to taste. Also, under the mask, I will go ahead and soften that to about 0.75 or so, something like that. Dial it. Okay. Now, if I come back to the edit page, you can see there it is. And all I need to do is just change under the inspector. I will change the composite mode from normal to overlay. And there's your lovely looking red glowing eye. All you have to do now is have it sort of appear. So I'll just use a cross dissolve, and this will then sort of like that. Okay, now all I have to do is do the other eye, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. And now I've done the second one, I have my basic glowing red eyes effect. This can actually be used in the same way to make Sith eyes for Star Wars fan film or something like that. You can make these any color you want. You just have to kind of play with those color settings. I'm Jay Haynes with the Hit Film Sensei YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.